Welcome to this channel where we'll be discussing all things project management. We encourage you to subscribe to the channel and like these videos even as we make more videos for your viewing pleasure. We'll be looking at the Project Management Institute as the gold standard for the industry. Feel free to write your comments, your questions, so that we'll address them in subsequent videos. Very soon we'll be conducting a free online course and we'll make available to you how you can be part of it. Do you know that project management is one of the best-selling skills in the world today? According to surveys carried out by most people, project management certification gives you the ability to earn more and enhances your ability to negotiate for higher wages even on your current employment. Are you thinking of entering into the project management space and do not know how to go about it? Do you want to break into project management but you are wondering, how do I go about it? Well, this video is for you. We'll be dealing with three categories of people: those who just want to have a general knowledge about project management, those who are interested in being certified by the Project Management Institute, and those who are ready to write the exams but require support, require revision tips, last-minute tips, preparation, as well as confidence. Trust me, the exam is very, very expensive and it's not something you want to write more than once. And for those who are already certified, what are the next steps? How do you leverage on your new certification in order to enhance your financial position?